Pearls are formed inside shells of certain mollusks, most commonly oysters and mussels. The vast majority of pearls are harvested from pearl farms. However, a small number of pearls are still found in the wild: China, Japan, Indonesia, Vietnam, Australia. These countries produce the majority of the world's pearls, both freshwater and saltwater. Pearls have been prized for their beauty and rarity for centuries. These are often used in jewelry such as necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. Pearls are also believed to have some medicinal properties. It has been traditionally used in Chinese medicine to relieve pain and also in Unani medicine for weakness, dizziness, etc. Pearls are believed to contain nacre, which is a substance that can help to improve the skin's elasticity and hydration. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Some people believe that pearls can help to boost the immune system. However, it is important to note that there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Wearing pearls is said to balance lunar energies, promoting calmness, peace, and emotional stability. Believed to bring good luck, prosperity, and protection, pearls are generally considered associated with positive qualities like love, compassion, and success. Some believe they can enhance creativity, communication, and relationships. Based on what we've discussed about the emotional, mental, and even physical benefits of wearing pearls, I'm curious to know how many of you are already incorporating pearls into your wardrobe